I wish I didn't have to sell my sneakers. Sometimes life gets in the way and you just gotta do what you gotta do. Coming up, I'm gonna show y'all what 3 sneakers I'm gonna be selling. Before we do, make sure y'all leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let me know what you think is inside these 3 sneaker boxes. You never know, bro. It might be a pair of Fila's in here, a pair of Adidas in here, and you just don't know what I'm selling. But stay tuned, stick around, because you might even be able to buy these low key. But make sure y'all subscribe and stick around to the end of this video. I would definitely appreciate it. Before we get into this video, if you guys are trying to support my clothing brand NORI, which is coming real soon, go to onenori.co, enter your email in for 10% early access on my first drop. This is a big step in my entrepreneurship. I'm honestly really excited to bring y'all along with me. Let's get straight into the sneakers that I'm gonna be selling, sadly. First pair I'm gonna be letting go of are the A Ma Maniére Jordan 4s. These are a size 7. I did get these for retail on the website, and I feel like it's about time for me to let these go. If y'all been watching the lives on the channel, a couple weeks ago I was driving to my mom's house and somebody smacked my car. It made me realize, like, bro, I've had this car for like 2 to 3 years at this point. This is a car that I'm gonna keep driving for a little bit longer. I might as well mod it and do what I want to do to it. I have all these sneakers behind me that I could literally turn into money to mod my car. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I bought these headlights recently that were like $500. The person who smacked my car's insurance is actually fixing my bumper for me, so I might as well fix the whole face of my car. Plus there's a couple other mods I want to do, so I decided to let go of some shoes. These A Ma Maniére 4s being one of them. They're a size 7 men, so I literally can't wear them. Obviously they're DS. You got that A Ma Maniére vibe on these with the plum cream outsole. If any ladies out there want to buy these, or you want to buy these for your girl, hit me up. I listed them on eBay for like $315 plus shipping. All I really want is $300 plus shipping. If y'all trying to cop, let me know in the comments or DM me on Instagram, and I'll definitely let y'all know what's up with these A Ma Maniére Jordan 4s. I feel like it's a beautiful looking sneaker. I was waiting to pick up my pair for these. Y'all might see what happened in an upcoming video, so make sure y'all subscribe, bro, because I literally got, bro. But y'all gonna see that when it comes. Jordan 4 A Ma Maniére is the first sneaker that I'm gonna be letting go of. This is a size 7 men, which is an 8.5 women. You feel me? If you're a dude out there with smaller feet, you're a woman out there, size 8.5, these are for you. These are for you. $300 plus shipping is all I need. Second up, we have this pair of sneakers. I only have a couple boxes in my room, you feel me? This is not what y'all think, okay? I'm not stupid enough to let these go. They're literally right behind me right there. These ain't going nowhere. Dude got the patent breads that are gonna be going somewhere. Size 10, DS, and they come with OGR. I just gotta get the box from Mom Duke's crib. Even got the extra laces and everything. I'm gonna pull them out the box so y'all can see the vibes. I laced them and literally never wore them. I think it's the patent for me. I don't know why. Some people fuck with the patent. I just can't get over it. It's crazy, bro. I literally laced these and never wore them. Never got around to it. I feel like every time I'm gonna go wear these, I find another sneaker that I'd rather wear. Let me know in the comments if this is a shoe that you would buy. They're a size 10 DS. I have OGR. I just have to go get it, but I feel like I would have never sold these if I didn't have the Jordan 1 Chicagos in my collection. But the fact that I have the Lost and Founds, I feel like I don't really need these right here. Now, I'm not gonna lie, if these were the OG no patent leather breads, they wouldn't be going nowhere right now, but it's just the patent leather that isn't doing it for me. I even seen some people do the custom where they remove the patent on them. Guess I'm gonna just wait till they release regular breads, which it's rumored that we're gonna get satin breads at the end of this year. If those drop, those are a cop. Let me know if y'all want these in the comments below, or DM me if you're interested. I don't really know what I want for these, but if y'all hit me up, offer some shit, we'll go back and forth and figure out a decent price for y'all and for me on these right here. Definitely wouldn't mind letting these go, you feel me? My car needs a new muffler type shit. We already got the headlights. I already got my spoiler and shit. I gotta install that. You feel me? My car gonna be lit by this summer. Let me know what y'all would rate these out of 10. Would you rather have these or the OGs? For me, I'll take the OGs any day. I literally got scammed on those. If y'all been supporting the channel, y'all know that I got for the OG breads, and now they're going for hella bread. No pun intended, but patent breads was the second sneaker. If y'all made it this far into the video, you might as well leave a like, bro. Like, the shit is free. There's a subscribe button right next to it. If y'all hit that, bro, my dreams come true. The last sneaker that I'm gonna be selling is a pair of Jordan 4s. Out of these 3 sneakers right here, I really do not want to let go of this one, but I have no choice at this point. This is the Jordan 4 Red Thunders, bro. This one hit me right here. This one hit me right here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This shit actually sucks. This is just another one of those sneakers that I can't wear. They're a size 10 and in 4s, I'm a 10.5. These shits actually hurt my feet. If y'all been watching the channel for a minute, I always talk about it. And at some point, I knew this was coming, bro, because I just can't fucking wear them. Like, I've tried, literally put these on feet. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I never even really stepped with them because as soon as I put them on feet sitting down right here, it just fucking hurts. So I can't do it. These are still DS, bro. Don't play me like that. Dead ass. I've never even stepped in these bitches. Like, I put them on sitting down right here and they hurt my feet immediately. So I'm like, nah. Tried to put them on twice. Both times, I'm like, hell nah, bro. I didn't even stand up with these shits on because I can't do it. This one actually hurts, bro. The Jordan 4 Red Thunders. I'm actually sad to see these go. Luckily, we're gonna get the regular Thunders soon. I wish I had both in the collection. This is a sneaker that I'm honestly sad to part ways with. I really wish these were a 10.5 because if they were, I would never be selling these. I'm not the type of person to be reselling sneakers in my collection. If I buy a shoe, it's because I like the shoe and I plan on keeping it. But if it doesn't fit, or if down the line I just grow over the sneaker, it doesn't make sense to keep it. That's kind of what happened with the patent breads down there and with these as well, bro, because I just can't keep a sneaker that I'm not gonna be able to wear, or I'm gonna wear once and now I'm losing mad bread just because I decided to wear it. It just doesn't make sense. You get what I'm saying? So gotta do what we gotta do, bro. I don't know what these are going for. Once again, if y'all are interested in these Red Thunder 4s, just go ahead and DM me on Instagram or comment down below. These are a size 10. All my size 10ers out there are in luck, and your luck is my misfortune. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. If you're interested in these, just let me know. Definitely sucks. Beautiful shoe. I love the execution on these. Colorway, it's just really nice, bro. I love 4s as well. I really wish I could keep these, but it is what it is. This was the last sneaker that I'm gonna be letting go of. It sucks that I won't even have these for my sneaker collection video, but it's just a reality. So it is what it is, bro. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel and let me know what else y'all would like to see coming soon. We've been going crazy on the channel, and I promise y'all this is only the beginning. We going straight to the top, and we've been grinding, bro. Like, keep showing love to the content like y'all been doing recently. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, and I hope that if you have a dream, you go ahead and chase that shit at all costs. Do not get lazy, because once you get lazy, the man behind you is gonna get ahead of you, and you don't want that. It's not even about being in this race, but you definitely need that shit as motivation to keep going forward. That's just how I live my life. I hope you do the same. Don't just go ahead and sit on that couch and let time pass you, because you're gonna wake up 10 years later like, what the f did I do? What's going on, bro? Now you 52 and you don't know what the f you did with your life. So get it together. You feel me? We all gotta get out there and get this bread one way or the other. But I love y'all. If you are interested in more content from me, click this video right here, subscribe down here, and let me know what else y'all would like to see. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, whenever you're watching. Spend some time with your loved ones, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.